So over here, you can see that I have this particular picture right here. And let me just go around and make a quick selection right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and make a quick selection just like this. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go around and then make sure that this selection is there for future access. So in that case, what I can actually do is save the selection so that I don't have to reselect like this every time. So I'm just making a rough selection right here. This is the selection that I have. So in order to save this selection for future use, I need to go around and save it as a channel. So to do that, I can go around onto the select menu right here, just like this. And here you can see that save to channel is an option. So if I were to go around and click right here under the channel section right here, if you don't see channels, then you can go to Windows right here, then you can go to dockable dialogues, and then you can access channel, and then you'll see the channel right here. And here you can see the selection mask copy, as you can see right here. So let me just go around and then deselect this. I'm just going to go around over here, and then let me just go around, press enter just like this, and you can see that I selected something else. But if I were to go around over here on selection mask copy right here, just like this, then I can just go around and click on this button right here, replace the selection with this channel, and then you can see the channel right here, just like this. So I can go around over here, selection mask copy right here, click on this, and that is selected, as you can see right here. So even if I were to go around, make another selection, I want to make this selection again, simply select and click on this button right here, and the selection is back. And that is how you can save selection to channel inside of GIMP so that you can access it in the future easily. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.